Ngayon namang umaga ay simpleng paraan ng paggawa ng tomato basil spaghetti sauce ang ituturo sa atin ni Angela para sa ating Kaya Mo To.
Good morning, Kuya! Ano na naman kaya ang ating matututunan ngayong umaga? Ngayon po ay sasamahan ulit tayo ni Ma'am Milona Baraka, but this time with her eldest daughter na si Meg. So what are we gonna learn from you?
Today we're going to learn how to make tomato or basil. Tomato basil pasta. So all you need are tomatoes and garlic, onion, and then some basil.
And then you mix it together. Do you also blend it? No more now.
We cook it. So, how do we cook it? Medyo mahaba yung proseso lang ng preparing this one, no? So, the tomato, we blanch it and peel. Take out the skin, tsaka the seeds. And then, half is blended, half is chopped. And then, we saute that with garlic, onion. And then basically, just cook the tomato until mag-thicken yung sauce. So that's going to take about
30 to 45 minutes.
And then you put it in the jar.
yes, oo.
Okay.
Then we put it in the jar.
How
and-
much is your capital? Of course, yung mga kasambahay po natin gusto nilang malaman paano. Kasi they also want to know the business. So, magkano po ang magiging kapital natin sa ganitong klaseng
Okay, so
product?
yeah, so this recipe that we prepared cost about 300 pesos.
300
yung,
pesos.
yung kanyang ingredients.
And
And we're selling it at 200 per jar. So you actually,
ilan ang magagawa mo sa isang lutuan?
tatlong jars na tigto
200,
200.
so 600. Mami Lona, habang ako po ay tinitikman natin, ano, ilalagay muna natin pala dito.
And then these ones, ano lang, for garnishing. So you
Garnishing.
can have parsley, basil, and then cheese, parmesan, or whatever cheese na gusto mo for presentation.
Since this is organic also, we don't expect naman natatagal siya for weeks, diba?
Yes,
So,
oo.
it's advisable na kainin nila
Within the week.
within the week. Ayan. So, for those who want to order, why don't you invite them to visit your website or tell them your number?
So if you want to order our tomato basil spaghetti sauce, made at home with love and the freshest, natural, organic ingredients, you can Viber me or you can contact my sister Maddie at 0916-400-9827.
Ayan. Sigurado po na organic na gawa po sa bahay ang walang preservatives. Thank you very much for sharing your ingredient family recipe.
Yes.
Right? Alright. Ayan po, bago po tayo magpaalam, I would like to thank po muna Miss Nico Amorsolo for our aprons ng
Yes.
designs and concepts. Alright, simpleng negosyo na naman po ang ating natutunan ngayong umaga na kaya-kaya niyo pong gawin kahit kayo po ay nasa inyong mga bahay lamang. Dahil dito po sa Good Morning Kuya, kaya mo to!